Good morning, everyone. Just doing a quick check-in regards to communication for the health professionals course. Hope you're having a good week. Hope you had a good first week. I know sometimes it can be overwhelming to kind of figure out where to go for information, but I'm hoping I make this easy for you as I do as many video check-ins as I can, of course, and then we have the video outline for the presentation so you can follow the details of the information presented in the book and in the PowerPoint. And then also I'm going to try to keep up with announcements and things of that nature to help you understand when due dates are, etc. So this week you had two assignments. You have your discussion posts, which was your initial reply, and it's due by Sunday, and then your reply to a student, which is also due by Sunday, and it's usually due, the initial post, on a Wednesday. But since this was a short week, we made it Sunday as a due date. Another thing that's due is a homework assignment, and many of you have already completed this, but if you haven't, be sure to do that by Sunday as well. Next week, we will have just a homework assignment due. So be sure to complete your course material on time. You don't want to wait for things to be done. If they're not done on time, then of course you can't get a good grade as outlined by the syllabus. And then on top of that, be sure to keep up with things because it's the way you learn. Another thing to highlight is the course syllabus and then course schedule. They all should be updated. The course schedule, of course, is subject to change, so keep up with that and take a look at it every couple of weeks. Sometimes it can update, and I usually try to put information in if it updates based on the announcement page and also on the downloaded attachment. Let's look at week 2 really quickly. And of course, I hope you saw my intro outline. I'm hoping that was helpful. Week 2 talks more about nonverbal communication and the importance of it. Of course, you're going to watch the video here. And this is a video I've used in different courses as well. So if you look at it, it was added back in 2020, but the information that it has within still is subject to the course. So you're going to see some information that might be used in different programs, like dental hygiene would be one. If you hear any information related to dental hygiene, don't freak out. It's not because I uploaded the wrong video. It's just because this is something that we've used across many different programs because the books are all the same, or the majority of them are. Be sure to take a look at this link here because this is a video about nonverbal communication. You want to make sure that you watch that because that's going to be in relation to your homework assignment. And it's a one-page paper which is due by Sunday of next week. Not tomorrow, Sunday of the following week. So if you have any questions or you need anything or you're feeling confused, please reach out to me. My email is pwilliams@pmi.edu. I'm happy to talk through some things. I'm happy to work with you as best I can to help you understand the course material. But so far, so good. Just make sure you submit things on time, and I appreciate all the effort this far. So if you need anything, again, reach out to me. Happy to help. Looking forward to seeing people submit their work on time, and looking forward to week 2. Thanks so much.